Hi there, and welcome back to another BobBlast. This is Bob Burridge, and I'm excited to tell you I just came back from Montreal, Canada, teaching a workshop, abstract painting and collage for a whole week. 24 students, all speaking French, all laughing in French, and this particular demo is all about one of those demos that I just did at that workshop up there in Canada. So I hope you enjoy it, and I know I did, and the painting turned out pretty good too. Hey, let's see, enjoy the demo. So here I am in Montreal, Canada, in a workshop, abstract painting and collage. It's fantastic. A room full of French women. What doesn't get any better than that? So here we go. I've got paper, it's abstract. I got the glue going on here. So we're going to start off. This is a 16 by 16 inch watercolor paper that I've already started to do some abstract painting. And now I got inspired because I have an idea. The idea is about powerful women getting out of a relationship, getting away to a more powerful relationship, something like that. I have some of my carrot figures that we did yesterday. To look like they're people, men. Oh yeah, they must be men because they all have big heads. And I'm going to squeegee it down here. I have all this paper that's pretty interesting. We discovered this morning. Oh, here's my doily from the coffee cup. We've got to use this somewhere around here. And I might put it in, oh yeah, I'm going to put it into where I think the figure is. So more glue, lots of gel medium. Oh, this is cool. We don't waste anything. If it falls on the floor, we're going to reuse it. And, wow, this is nice. Well, we make all this up. We just keep painting until it looks good. Really. There we go. This would be nice. And again, you just keep on going. Don't get real cerebral about it. It has a nice little texture to it. This is those paper doilies. It's really nice. I like this round shape because it's so different from everything else. I have all these small round eddies from the alcohol technique that we use, rubbing alcohol on there. It creates these little bubbles, which is always really nice. And more glue. This is all about gluing and collage, so I'm going to do it anyway. Just get it in there. We don't know if it makes sense or not, but it certainly drops my eye down. I'm going to put it in the golden section. Think of the 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, 1/3, the tic-tac-toe, and that's where I put that.
How do you say tic-tac-toe in French?
Le tic-le-toe.
Tic-tac-toe. Tic-tac-toe.
Monsieur.
Tic-tac-toe.
Okay. Now some paint. I'm going to get going in the paint here. I'm going to be using my Hansa yellow, lots of white on there to give it some opacity. And now I'm going to find this wonderful lady here. She's in here somewhere. Oh yeah, she'll be great. And this is going to be her dress. I have to be careful I don't cut the painting in half, which we are wont to do. And this white is too white, but I want to keep the figures here, so I'm just going to use just pure paint, no white. It's almost like rubbing a stain in here. Because there's no white in this color right now, I can still see through it. A transparent color. I'm taking advantage of the transparent color. I'm going to bring in some pink in here too, just to warm it up a little bit. That yellow's awfully cold. Well, the relationship was awfully cold. Maybe that's okay. Oh, this is going to be great. Because you can't lay in bed in the morning and dream this and say, this is what I'm going to do. Because it's already been done in your head. I'd much rather have it discovered and come to me while I'm in the process of doing this. All right. There we go. I'm pulling it all together as in one dominant color. They usually use 4 colors, and this will be the dominant color. Yellow? I hope so. Wow. I like to add and keep some of the mystery in the painting. Don't give the viewer all the pieces of information. Oh yeah, she's getting out of there. She's moving over this way. Black. Dark. This is some violet. Add some red to it. Don't mix it really well. I'm doing some serious mixing right here on the paper. Here we go. I like where she's going. I'm going to use a paper towel. We start painting with paper towels now. And again, I'm using this blue and purple. And also, make sure you paint all over at the same time. Don't stay in one little place because you end up tickling it to death. Wow, she's spirited. She's very spirited. And now the head. The head will be in the darkest part. It's done over here. I'm doing this quickly because I can't wait to see what it's going to look like. This is the truth. And now I want to put the head in here. Oh, nice. I like where it's coming. And now get the head up in here. I'm wiping away a lot of it. So when I put my white color for the head in here, it won't get mixed up with all the other color I finished doing up in here. There you are. Hi, sweetheart. I knew you were in there. Wow. And scraping and scratching, all kinds of things. I love working with my hands, obviously. And that's why we put that hand cream on at the beginning, if we remember. It's a lot easier to clean your hands at the end of the day when you had that hand cream on top of it. Okay? And I'm just going to start wiping away some areas with a lot of water. It's all over the place. This row of humanoids, more subtle. Bringing it closer to here, making sure she's definitely moving away. So I'll let this dry. It's nice and gummy. I've had my morning exercise already doing this. And we'll let this settle down, and that's so important to put it up in the wall after it has dried. So you can look at it. It's very difficult for you to look and analyze your painting when it's in the same area that you created. You have so much competition in here. And I can't wait to see this up on the wall after it has dried. Well, thanks for watching this little quick video of me throwing paint around and trying to survive in a workshop. Take care. Now that was fun, wasn't it? Now don't forget, May 3rd, deadline to post your work for Mirror Image Virtual Jury Show. Hey, thanks for watching, and I'll see you at the next BobBlast.